Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the software. Sage 50 Cloud, available at sage.com/en-us/products/sage-50 Cloud, offers a robust suite of accounting tools designed for small to medium-sized businesses. This cloud-connected software aims to streamline financial processes, providing a centralized platform for managing everything from basic bookkeeping to more complex tasks like inventory tracking and job costing. Sage 50 Cloud boasts a user-friendly interface, intended to be accessible even for those without a deep accounting background. It offers various features like automated bank reconciliation, customizable reporting, and invoicing capabilities, all designed to save time and increase efficiency. One of the key advantages of Sage 50 Cloud is its cloud connectivity, enabling users to access their financial data from anywhere with an internet connection. This also facilitates collaboration with colleagues and accountants, allowing for real-time sharing of information. Furthermore, the cloud platform offers enhanced security and automatic backups, safeguarding valuable financial data. Sage 50 Cloud integrates with various other business applications, further extending its functionality and allowing for a more streamlined workflow. Different pricing tiers are available, catering to the specific needs and budget of different businesses. While a powerful tool, it's important to consider potential drawbacks. The learning curve, while manageable, might still require some dedicated time for users to fully grasp all the features. Also, depending on the chosen plan, some advanced functionalities might be locked behind higher subscription tiers. Finally, as with any cloud-based software, reliable internet access is crucial for uninterrupted operation. Overall, Sage 50 Cloud presents a compelling option for businesses looking to modernize their accounting practices and leverage the benefits of cloud technology. For a deeper dive into specific features or pricing details, be sure to visit the official Sage 50 Cloud website.